Guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I'm sharing with you guys how I decorated my 3-tier tray. So I'm going to be using a lot of the items that was from my previous video. If you guys have not seen that, I will link it in the description box below so you guys can see how all these cute items were made. I'm starting off with that larger sign at the bottom, and then these cute little buckets that were from Dollar Tree with some greenery. This is also from Dollar Tree. These are really affordable and really inexpensive to put together when you shop smart. I change my tier trays around often, so you're going to see that I kind of move things back and forth, take things out, rearrange them. This one is a little deep, so I usually try to add like some sort of like taller signs or pieces. Sometimes I even end up adding some extra greenery. Some of these items I'm showing you are from previous years. So these little mason jars with the hearts and the baby's breath and the ribbon and everything, those are actually from Dollar Tree, and I put them together a few years ago. And I will link all of my Valentines videos. If not, I'll have like a playlist in the description box below so you guys can see how a lot of these items were made. And right here I'm just throwing in some greenery, and then I do, like I said, move things around often. But yeah, everything was from Dollar Tree or previous years, so this ended up being pretty inexpensive. These rolling pins are off of Amazon, and those were in the last DIY video as well. So I made like 10 tier tray, cute little small items. If you don't have a tier tray, you can always put them on a shelf or something like that. But yeah, I love doing tier trays. They're super fun, and I think these are some of the most relaxing things to actually put together because I feel like there's no right or wrong when it comes to putting together a tray. Part right here with the hearts and the greener in here. I had so many people in my last video say it looked like strawberries, and it really does, and I never even thought about it that way. But I think it is so stinking cute, and now it just reminds me of a bunch of strawberries. And that red vase is actually from Dollar Tree a couple years ago, and then all these black houses that you're seeing, these came in like a 3-pack, I think, last year from Target. I think it was around Christmas time or winter time. But honestly, they are year-round for me because I love farmhouse. I made this cute little garland, and I had a bunch of these smaller ones that were also from Dollar Tree this year. Little galvanized milk jugs, I use these all the time. These are from Hobby Lobby, and I want to say that they're always 50% off, or at times they're 50% off, so then it being like between $1 and $2. Super inexpensive, and I think they're also ornaments at one time. Possibly, I don't know. I pick up a ton of stuff from Hobby Lobby when it's on clearance, but it has definitely been a few years. And then now I'm just adding some more items to the top. I made this one as well. And I'm almost done with this tray. I'm actually going to be doing 2 trays for this video. So make sure that you don't click off, because if you're wanting to see one more tray and you like this one, you're going to like the other one for sure. This little truck right here is also from Dollar Tree this year, and I think this one is really cute. I don't normally make the backs of my tier trays look super spectacular because honestly nobody sees them, but for some reason I actually made this one look pretty cute, and plus I had a lot of extra items, so I thought, why not do the back as well.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay.
All right, so this tray I want to say is from Michael's, and I picked it up and it was like 70 or 80% off. It was under, I want to say, $10 or $12. Pretty inexpensive for a tier tray. So you can always find these on sale, especially Hobby Lobby when they have them 50% off. It's just a really great deal, and you can get them for under $20. And then now I'm just adding a ton of decor. The house is from Target recently, and then everything else was either made or from Dollar Tree. That is obviously from Hobby Lobby. I think all my galvanized items are from Hobby Lobby. And then there's just a lot of stuff that I didn't use that I did show. So yeah, super inexpensive. I bet all these cost like maybe $20 total to decorate 2 trays, maybe $25. It really wasn't that much. And if you save things every single year, it is even cheaper because you're just reusing items. And I don't think there is an issue with making videos and reusing items. I feel like sometimes we get overwhelmed because we watch people on the internet buy new things and redo their homes. And honestly, it is 100% okay to save money and use what you already have. I see nothing wrong with that. And then here we go, me just rearranging things once again. And my alarm just went off to pick up my kids. So if you guys heard that in the background, I'm so sorry. I probably could have cut that out, but you know what? It's definitely real life around here all the time. And this I Heart You, these are actually wood pieces that I painted black. And then I also painted burlap and then stenciled some, the I and the U, and I just handed the heart. That was from, I want to say, 3 years ago in a video. So like I said, if you guys want to check out old Valentine's videos, I will link them in the description box for you. But yeah, I think that's about it with this tray. I just kind of added florals, or I love these hearts. I don't know if they still sell these hearts at Dollar Tree, but they are so cute. I like the sequins. They don't fall off. It's not like glitter. And then also those little galvanized pieces, the XO and the love. Those were actually from Dollar Tree last year, but I think I've seen them this year as well. These little houses, these were 90% off at Hobby Lobby. I think they were like 49 or 59 cents. And they're white. They're salt and pepper shakers, but you can use them in whatever you choose. It doesn't have to be salt and pepper shakers. Guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this tier tray decorate with me. I've done one of these every single year for years and years and years. I am sorry about my voice. It keeps going in and out. I was sick like a month ago, and it just keeps lingering. So I just have a really weird raspy voice for now. But you guys, if you like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, consider sticking around and subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.